If you've been on YouTube lately, you've probably noticed this new trend of raw videos taking over the business niche. And not only that, but you can see the same thing in the fitness niche, the self-improvement niche, and in many other niches as well. If you were thinking about creating YouTube content to grow your personal brand and get leads for your business, then this whole idea of creating raw videos might be pretty appealing to you. You don't need a pro studio to get started. You don't need to worry about editing the video, creating a thumbnail, or hiring anyone to do that for you. You just record yourself talking, you upload the video, and you get all the benefits of YouTube. Sounds pretty awesome, right? Well, unfortunately, if you think this, then I have some bad news for you. Having worked with over 20 business owners, helping them make more money with YouTube, I can confidently say that 9 out of 10 times, by creating raw videos, you will grow slower and leave tens of thousands of dollars on the table. So in this video, I will explain why raw style videos don't work, what you can learn and implement from this new trend to get better results with your YouTube videos, and finally, I will talk about the one style of videos that works best for 90% of business owners who want to get clients from YouTube. So first, let's talk about what raw videos do well. Why raw videos became popular is that they offer pure value. It's a more natural and personal format. They are the opposite of high dopamine Mr. Beast videos, and they are really easy to produce. So I will break each of these down. So first, value. These videos are usually longer and are focused on explaining a certain topic. Here are a couple of examples. They all have a big promise that they use to get clicks. Usually it's money. And in the video, they focus only on providing value and breaking down that topic. It's like giving an in-depth presentation, basically. Now, due to this raw format, these videos feel super personal and natural. It's like someone recorded a video for you on their phone explaining a topic. This builds a lot of trust, which is one of the most important things you need on YouTube. Also, it's low dopamine. So many people are tired of the dopamine edited videos, like this one, for example. These raw videos are the exact opposite of that. That's why many people started watching them. And last but not least, from the creator side, it's super easy to produce. A raw video takes about 30 minutes to record and costs $0. And a normal, highly produced YouTube video takes about 3 to 6 hours to produce with the script and everything, and usually costs more than $500,000. A normal, well-produced YouTube video usually takes between 3 to 6 hours to produce with the script and everything, and costs more than $500. If creators can get the same results or even better results with raw videos, they will obviously do it. So why raw videos don't work? It's honestly not as easy and bright as it looks like. So problem number one is bad performance. Creators might have some raw videos that go viral, but usually these types of videos don't perform well. You can see that this video here got like a pretty decent amount of views, but his other videos all got like just a couple thousand views, even though his channel is like pretty big. Problem number two is targeting. So 90% of raw videos in the business niche have the same promise: get rich fast. That's because this is what they can attract the most views with. They often flash big money numbers or bold statements like I became a millionaire by doing this and this. But what type of people will these videos attract? The answer is that it will attract complete beginners. Advanced business owners know that getting rich isn't about one simple habit. The people who click on these videos are mainly beginners looking for the easiest way to get rich. And people like Charlie Morgan or William Brown are targeting beginners with their business. You can see Charlie Morgan's testimonial videos from his website, and many of his clients literally started from $0. So these were people that were complete beginners. Now, if you're a business owner looking to sign clients from YouTube, your ICP is probably not a complete beginner. And problem number three is the wow factor. This is the biggest problem with raw videos, in my opinion. If you don't have a wow factor that you can leverage, you won't get any views. So let me explain what I mean by a wow factor. If you think about all the people who do raw videos, there's something extraordinary about them. For example, Charlie Morgan made more than $20 million online. William Brown sold his business for $16.4 million. Sam Sulek, who made raw videos popular in the fitness niche, he literally looks like Hulk. So basically, you can be really successful and really knowledgeable about your topic of expertise, but if you don't have a wow factor, which most people don't have, honestly, then you just won't get views with raw videos. Think about this. You're creating 20 to 40-minute videos of you just talking. If you don't have 10 out of 10 speaking skills and something really interesting about you that will make people listen, then people just won't be watching you. Okay, now you understand why raw videos don't work. Let's talk about the best style of videos to get clients from YouTube. By the way, this strategy of creating videos that I will show in a second have generated over 900 leads for me and my clients. So the first part of this is value-based content. We learned that a reason why raw videos can do well is because they focus on providing pure value. So in our videos, we should replicate that. Whenever you create a video, think about how can it be the most useful video to my viewers and what can I provide to solve my viewers' problem. Don't gatekeep information, just share everything. The next thing is minimalistic but effective editing style. People are tired of dopamine heavy editing, but creating fully raw videos won't get you the best results. These videos will usually be slow and boring, except if you have like 10 out of 10 speaking and presentation skills. The solution is a modern and professional editing style. This cuts out empty spaces and mistakes, which will make the videos fast-paced. It also helps to illustrate what you talk about with graphics so you can teach more effectively and give the information to the viewer in a much more easily consumable way. It also makes the video more engaging with constant edits, which will result in a higher retention rate. Editing can take a good video and make it a great video, but only if you do it right. Now, a super important thing will be highly optimized thumbnails and titles. YouTube is still 60% about how you package your videos, so that's the thumbnail and the title. You shouldn't just put a random title and the frame from the video as a thumbnail, like people do for these raw videos. The ones who get the best results and the most clients from YouTube obsess over packaging. And if you're serious about making money from YouTube, you should do that too. Now, last but not least, targeted videos to your ICP. So this is huge. To get clients from YouTube, you need to attract your ideal clients with your videos and then convert them effectively. That's all it really is. Most people make the mistake of chasing views and trying to go viral. It's better to have a video that gets 300 to 1,000 views, but you get 3 clients from it, than a video getting 50,000 views or even more than that, but you get no clients. So that's why you need to sniper target your clients with your videos. You can do that by creating videos about their pain points and desires. If you offer solutions to your dream clients' problems and help them achieve their desires, you will simply get clients from YouTube. Now, if you want to stop guessing when it comes to YouTube and start signing clients from your videos ASAP, then make sure you click the first link in the description and book a free call with me. In that call, I will explain the method we use to help you scale with YouTube, while you only have to record the videos and handle the leads you get from your channel, as well literally handling everything else. And if you run an online business doing over $20,000 per month, we will even guarantee you to add an extra $10,000 to $20,000 per month to your business in the next 90 days, or we'll refund you in full. So if that sounds good, book a free call with me using the first link below. I'll either explain how we can help you or point you in the right direction. I hope this video was valuable and talk to you soon. Bye bye.